Hello everyone and welcome back. Do you remember the video where I generated a style from chord Pa5X? Today I will do the same experiment, but this time I will generate the style from my Ketron SD90. First, I will record the style in real time. I will play and record 4 variations in different keys. After that, I will explain step by step exactly what I did. The idea is simple. I record the style live. Then I convert it into loops and variations. Finally, I transform everything so it can work inside Giglad. Later we will see if the result is successful. Here in FL Studio, using Edison, I cut the loops and phrases that I like. After that, I configure and organize them. These are the final files that I created. I have added them into the S audio loop folder inside Giglad. When I recorded the melody, I used different keys for the variations. C major, C minor, E major, E minor, G major, and G minor. This gives me a much more realistic sound when I configure the loops into the style. As you can see, each variation contains 6 different loops. The purpose is simple. When the Giglad player starts working with them, the result should be as close as possible to the original style. I also recorded 2 intro sections in the same way. In another folder, I added the breaks. So now I have a complete style. Two intros, 4 variations, and 5 breaks. All loops work on a single track. When we add the loops into the style, it is very important to set them to By Note by Chord. After configuring each loop in the correct key, major or minor, you can see that every variation is assigned to the same trigger note. What does this mean? When I press the note that activates the style, all loops are ready to respond. However, each loop will only play when the exact chord, or a very close chord, is played. So from the 6 loops inside each variation, only the loop that matches the chord will be activated. They do not play at the same time. They respond dynamically to the chord I play. This gives a much more realistic sound, very close to the original. If I had recorded the variation only in C major and C minor, and then played F major or G minor, the player would try to imitate the sound. But it would not sound as realistic, because the tonal distance is too large. With 6 different recorded chords, I cover almost the entire octave range. That is why the result sounds much more natural. Now let's listen to it in real time, and see if the effort was worth it. Personally, I am more than satisfied with the final result. I hope this video gave you fresh ideas and inspiration. If you enjoyed it, you can subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again very soon.